gonna mix the color? Fatima, what's that? What color are you using? Yeah, say the name of the color. Go, Fatima. Yeah, and
Andy.
put it.
Andy.
Put them together. Would you pour it? Pour here. It's better. Yeah. And all the red goes there. And mix it. What color you get? Mix it, Fatima. What color do you see, Fatima? What color is that, Fatima? Say the name. Oh my goodness. Okay, go. Andy, what are you gonna do?
What color is that?
Okay, put it there. Good. What's next color?
Red.
And put them together. And mix it. What's that?
What color is it?
Okay,
Purple.
Kenton, are you gonna mix the color? Okay, what color you gonna put it? Yeah. Okay. What's that? And the next one. Yeah. And mix it. What color you get? What's that?
Orange.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't get orange.
Yeah, you get green. Good job. Uh-huh.